going on, gamers? Welcome back to another conversion factor tutorial here with me. Today we're going to be solving number 11. How many molecules are there in 200 grams of carbon tetrachloride? Let's check this out. So, as good old Dr. Glenn always says, you must list your givens and your unknowns. So here we have a given 220 grams of carbon tetrachloride. So we're going to write 200 grams of carbon tetrachloride. But what's unknown is how many molecules there are. And for this, I don't write molecules because I'm lazy, so I just write the actual formula. And then to start off the conversion factor, we first need to list the given. So we write 200 grams of carbon tetrachloride over here. Make a little bar over here. And now we have to cancel out the grams. So the way we do that is with molar mass. So I write mole up here, and then how many, actually wait, no, I did this wrong. So how many grams are in a mole of carbon tetrachloride? Well, to find that out, we need to use the greatest table ever created aside from the dinner table, the periodic table of the elements. So first we have carbon. As you can see, it has a mass of 12.01. So we're going to take our calculator over here. We're going to set it to Florida. 12.01. Let's just say it's grams. Now we have to find our chlorine, which is right there. Or actually, let's redo this. It says it has 35.45 grams. So 35.45 times 12.01. We set that equal. Oh wait. Hey, hang on, I did this wrong. 35.45 times 4 equals that, plus 12.01 equals 153.81 grams. Always use grams, no matter what. Crap. So, 153.81 grams of what, you may ask? The answer is carbon tetrachloride, of course. The coolest compound around, or molecule around. Now, next step is to cancel out the moles. The way you do that is easy. Mole, and then Avogadro's number. Easy stuff, right? Also, carbon tetrachloride. Alright, let's run through this, shall we? First things first, we have to cancel out the units. Because of the way we placed them, they will cancel out. Now we have 200 grams, as you can see, 200 grams of carbon tetrachloride. So we're going to plug that into our, well, first, let's go to scientific notation. Alright, so we have 200 grams of carbon tetrachloride, as you can see. We're going to multiply this to Avogadro's number, so 6.02, and then you want to click the EE button right here, okay? And then you click 23, set it, and you equal it. Now, look over here. You see how it's divided by 153.81 grams? Click divide. 153.81. Wait. Yeah. And that is your answer right there, ladies and gentlemen. So the answer here is 7.83 times 10 to the 23 carbon tetrachlorides. Whoops. Molecules of carbon tetrachloride. This is conversion factor tutorials with me. Hope you enjoyed.